In this video, our Champion expert will show you how to replace the FlexScreen on a Champion window. We will be demonstrating this process on a double-hung window in this video. Let's start by removing your damaged FlexScreen. Begin by pulling the top sash of your window down to get access to the window track. Gently press the palm of your hand in the center of the screen to flex both sides inward. Squeeze both sides inward 4 to 6 inches. While keeping the sides compressed, slightly lift up the screen and remove one of the bottom corners from the window screen track. Remove the opposite corner from the screen track. With both bottom corners out of the screen track, pull the screen down from the top screen track and remove the screen. Now that you have removed the damaged screen, you are ready to place your new FlexScreen into your window. Wrap your hands around the longest sides of the FlexScreen and squeeze sides together 4 to 6 inches. Feed the screen completely through the window opening. While keeping the sides compressed, aim the bottom of the screen into both lower corners until it is securely in the track. Now, aim the top of the screen into the 2 top corners of the window track and guide them into place. Release the screen once all corners are securely in the track. Push the top sash back into place and secure your window locks. You have now successfully replaced the FlexScreen in your Champion double-hung window.